Hello, I am Naveen Kumar Bansali, an AI consultant working with several multinational organizations and the co-founder of Blitz AI, a no-code AI generative AI platform. I also serve as an adjunct faculty member at Indian Institute of Management Bangalore and as a visiting faculty member at Indian Institute of Management Claude Code. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming the foundation of modern business transformation. The Business Analytics and Artificial Intelligence program empowers professionals to move beyond AI theory into hands-on real-world implementation. Participants gain practical experience with advanced AI development and orchestration tools such as Claude Code, Cowork, LangGraph, CrewAI, and DeepAgents, while exploring multi-agent systems, MCP and A2A protocols, local AI agents, and AI governance frameworks. The program also introduces emerging concepts like context engineering, harness engineering, and the shift from SDLC to Agentic Development Lifecycle. Through practical AI projects and enterprise use cases, learners develop the skills to build AI-native solutions, automate workflows, and confidently lead innovation in the age of AI. Applications for the upcoming batch of the Business Analytics and Artificial Intelligence program are now open. I invite you to register and look forward to welcoming you to the class.